Bunk's own house-cured pork belly.
You can put pork belly on anything and you're gonna be all right.
From a po' boy
Oh my God, so good.
to a Vietnamese banh mi.
Very fresh.
Even their Reuben.
I'm dying to try the pork belly Reuben.
All right, fantastic.
This is the best Reuben in town.
Not something you see on every sandwich menu, but I'm down with it. So we got a pork belly.
The cure is just going to be these the dry ingredients. We'll start off with a little bit of the chili flake, some black pepper, fennel seed, and we're just going to buzz that.
I think this is one of the biggest mistakes people use, is not using really fresh spices.
Yeah, put a little brown sugar in there. So yeah, this is like 50-50 salt and sugar is what I do.
You meant fitty-fitty.
50-50, yeah, for sure. Put a little bit on the bottom first.
And you're just gonna pack that bad boy right down into it.
A little bit on top of there. Rub it down real good. Put a little garlic, and we'll put some of this thyme on there. We're just gonna grate a little nutmeg.
A little bit of nutmeg, a little more patty.
Yeah, just rub it in. It's good to sit for a couple days.
And then we're gonna roast it off, slow
Yeah,
cook it.
It cooks for like 4 hours.
Now we're getting into Russian dressing.
Pretty simple. It's just mayonnaise, ketchup, whole grain mustard. I'm gonna put a little egg in there, chopped pickles.
That's a great looking dressing.
Just a little salt and black pepper, red wine vinegar, a little bit of Worcestershire. The last thing I do for my Russian dressing is I just stir in a little bit of bacon fudge. Because
A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Maybe I should try this deliciousness. Wow. Oh, dude. I don't even know that it's fair to call that Russian dressing. I mean, you got to call that liquid Moscow or something sexy. So we have our cured.
Pork belly.
Now cool it down, slice it, make a sandwich.
Totally.
Wow. Sorry, I'll put it back. I'll wait for the sandwich.
We take some dark rye, Russian dressing on there. A little Swiss.
Swiss,
Yeah.
okay.
And then our pork belly. A little fresh cracked pepper, our sauerkraut. Brush this down with some butter.
Talk about the meanie panini.
Toss this on there.
And you put the slamma on the clamma?
That cooks for just a few minutes. We just crisp it up a little bit, and then we put it in the oven to finish it. That's it.
Look at that bad
Yeah.
boy. Oh. You get the subtleties of the pork mixed with the really nice rub you put on it. Slow cook it, render down the fat. You guys are great, man.
I don't think I've ever actually had a better sandwich.
So good.
Ravens are coming.